Hello, third grade students of Midas Creek Elementary. This is Mrs. Gifford here, and I'm here to show you how you can get logged in and use Utah Compose for your writing. So first, you're going to open up a new tab, and up in your address bar here, you're going to type in utahcompose.com. And then it'll take you to this page. Looks a little bit something like this. And you're going to click on this button in the corner that says user login. Okay, so this has my username and password saved. Your teacher will be giving you your own username and password. Just a little helpful tip here is that a lot of times there's 3 zeros before your number starts. Those zeros are necessary. Okay, so make sure that you're not missing those zeros. Okay, once you have your username and password put in, you just click on the sign in button. I'm going to sign in as a student, and you will see the class that you are in under course name here. You're just going to click on that class, and it'll look a little bit something like this. So up here at the top on this little menu bar, got home, lessons, practice, and portfolio. I'll go through those tabs to show you what they look like. So first, lessons. So if you click on lessons, it has a lot of different lessons that you can do. There's also different categories. So if you're just developing your ideas, if you needed some help organizing your ideas, your style, word choice, etc., etc. Okay, I'm going to just click on one of those lessons just so you can get an idea of what it looks like. Every essay needs a conclusion. So this will tell you why you need a conclusion. You can also have it read aloud to you if you hover over these little speakers. Okay, and then there are little slides so you can go through all of those, make sure you read all of it, and that is a basic lesson. Then if you want to practice what you've been learning about, you can choose a prompt, a writing prompt, and begin to start writing. So let me give you an example here. So this is an example of a narrative writing. You can see here. It says you are on the beach with your family. As you walk along, you see a bottle floating close to the shore. You are curious, so you pick it up. There is a piece of paper rolled up inside. You open the bottle and take out the paper. Tell a story about what happens next. So you've got some options here. You can start pre-writing. It has all sorts of graphic organizers for you to use as you brainstorm those ideas. Then if you go back and click begin writing, you're going to click on new writing since you haven't been writing on this prompt before. So click on new. You can add a title here, and then you can write your essay or your paragraph answering the prompt, and it has it here for you so that you can see that prompt again, and it can guide you as you are writing. All right, I hope that helps a little bit to get you started on utahcompose.com. Have fun!